Bear with me, I'm gonna grind these up real quick. Little one. Yeah. I'm just gonna grind up these dogs real quick, sharpen them a little bit. Better. Now when I got these, I bought this saw. These weren't screwed down, but it looks like the kit comes with a screw to screw the dogs on.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Cool.
How about that? I'm gonna do that.
So you were able to find the stuff you needed?
Yeah, this shop here in town had, they dug around and found me a set. Let's see here. Oh, those are on there.
I went in and changed my clothes into summer clothes so I wouldn't be really hot.
They're on there. Loctite those back on. Yeah, apparently when these saws are bought, when the saw shop buys them, I don't know if this is 100% true or not, but apparently they don't come with the full wrap bar or the big dogs. They come with a half wrap and the little tiny puny ass dogs on them. So,
What do you mean by wrap?
this wrap handlebar. Most of them come with like a dinky half wrap. Doesn't have the extra handlebar on the other side to get a hold of. I guess you could call it more of like a firewood handlebar. You don't have to use the other side of the saw. That was Loctited in good. Why they didn't come off. Boy, they're a bitch to get out. Come out of there. Alright. To avoid it looked like red Loctite to me, so we're gonna give it some heat. Break it loose. Fire. Oh.
Morning, Brett.
Made it a little easier. I'm getting to want to withdraw my previous statement about using power tools. An impact gun, a little impact driver would be nice to get this out of here.
I only woke up just a little bit before you.
Brooklyn,
Ready to-
I carved I love you into this.
I'm trying to get this dog off of here. It's like long-winded.
You stand right on the side of the table and pull over just on the seat or something.
You say hi to the camera. You're on camera right now.
What?
Yeah.
I was on a I said hi to the camera.
Ew, Bubba. You're
Oh, the dog get in the pond.
So registration is from 3 to 7.
Okay. So we'll get there
Why can't we stay here with
here.
Dad?
What?
Are we staying here with you while Alex goes over there?
No, your dad is going with me.
Yeah.
I don't want to
We're all going. I don't particularly want to take everybody, but
Hey,
whatever.
maybe text Grandma. Then drop us off with someone. Yeah, give us
Where'd it go? There it is. That stuff floating everywhere.
We should go to Shayna's.
Got a Loctite on there.
Yeah, so it's just Grandma Angie might.
Might be able to ask Lily.
Yeah, Lily.
Chain guard.
I would want to bring my bike
If you
after.
lose your chain,
After, Zeb gets his pictures.
it keeps it from blowing off of there.
You guys have a pool you can fill up. Sit in a-
We apply some Loctite on there. Just burned all the other.
So Kenny and Crystal have went through Wyoming and Montana, but I think they're at the Yellowstone Park right now.
Oh, nice.
Wait, they're still gone?
That's really pretty there. I mean, except Yellowstone is on fire, I think, right now.
They sent me a picture of some weird animal on the trail. I couldn't quite distinguish what it was. It looks like a large shoe squirrel slash badger slash
Might have been a badger. Honey badger or something like that.
it has like a fluffy tail like a squirrel though, but it's not the color of a squirrel. The tail's a different color than its body.
Sounds to me like a skunk.
It wasn't a skunk. Had a face of a groundhog.
I don't think groundhogs have long, fluffy tails. I think they kind of have stubby little tails.
Type of groundhog.
Mom, maybe it's from,
Alright. That about covers it. So you get the bar on there and the chain. You're ready to go to work tomorrow.
This song reminds me of Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
Every time you steal a car.
I think they play that song on there a lot.
They do.
Alrighty.
Did you feed Donna breakfast? Thank you.
And that's that. Got her all squared away. She should run. No problem. Thanks for watching.